Are you in the market for a wheelchair accessible van? If so, check out this offer. No payments for 90 days. You heard me correctly, that's no payments well into 2025. I am Jeremiah, the owner of Affordable Mobility Solutions. One of the biggest challenges we face with our customers is getting them financed and helping them make their payments affordable. And how else to do that than offering 90 days with no payments. So come the holidays this year, when money's tight for everybody, you have no payments on your wheelchair accessible van. So if you find yourself looking for a wheelchair accessible van, it's good to shop around. We encourage it. But one thing we don't have is any hidden fees. A lot of the competitors will put a real fancy price online. What they don't tell you about is the administrative fee, the dock fee, the tag fee, the freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping, free Carfax reports, super detailed YouTube videos so you know exactly what you're getting. So yes, please compare us, see how we do it different, see how and why we can save you that 5 to 10 grand today. So we get this question all the time. People say, I'm across the country, how am I going to do business with you? Great question. We have free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. We provide a free Carfax with every one of our vehicles so you can see the history of the vehicle. We do a super detailed video of every single one of our vans. I'm the owner of the company. I'm out crawling underneath the vans, showing you there's no flood damage. I'm showing you the Carfax report. I'm showing you why I believe in each individual one of our vans, why I took my money to purchase it, why I trust that you can too. So how can I get this offer, you ask? Great question. You go to our website at mobility316.com. Now, not only are we offering this amazing offer of 90 days with no payments, we have free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden fees, super detailed YouTube videos of every van so you know exactly what you're getting. Check us out at the mobility316.com. You can apply there today. We can get back with you ASAP and get you an answer and help you get the van that you need and you deserve.